Hey everyone, welcome back to the GEX Bible. Hope you're all doing well. I'm Maya. It's Wednesday, May 20, 9:40 a.m. Eastern Time. Here with GEX for the SPX opening bell structural read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. First things first, what follows is a structural read of SPX GEX data for education only, not financial advice.
Confirmed. We're not advisors. Nothing here is a recommendation. You trade your own risk. All right, let's dig in.
All right, GEX, walk me through what SPX is showing us today.
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is minus 4.6 million. Regime is negative. Spot is 7,369, above the flip at 7,360.
What does that tell us about the day?
Means dealers are amplifying moves, and the walls are softer than they look. That's the through line for the whole session.
Walk me through what we're looking at on the levels panel.
On the levels panel, look up first. A call wall stack at 7,375 and 7,400. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 7,369. You can see a put wall stack at 7,360 and 7,350 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
Range to watch is 7360 to 7375.
That's the box, Maya. First touch on either side is where today's story starts.
What's the one thing you're watching for?
Any break of the put wall. Negative gamma means there's no friction below. If it goes fast.
Give me the two scenarios, bear and bull.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 7360 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 7350. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 7375 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 7385. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
And to be clear, those are predictions about market structure, not trade calls.
Right. Read your own SPX structure. Take your own risk.
All right, morning read done. Recap drops after the close. Anything to add, GEX?
Trade your own risk. The dealer has to come back and come back and come back. We'll see you at 4:30.
Like and subscribe to keep these SPX reads in your feed. All right, everyone, that's our morning read. Goodbye for now. We'll see you after the close.
And before we go, one to leave you with. The retail trader sees the chart. The dealer sees the book. The framework lets you see what the dealer sees. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.